Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to have fun with stickers in Picsart. Alright, so come to your Picsart application, tap on the plus icon there to start a new project. So basically I'll import one of my photos here, okay, for demonstration purposes. Alright, so I'll see which photo to import. I think I'll import this one here. So after importing it, I just need to close this. Alright, so right now you come to this option here. So you select stickers from there. So when you select stickers, as you can see, there are a variety of stickers. So I'll choose this one here of this lady with a gun. So basically I can put it here and I adjust it to my choice. Okay, so when I'm done, I can basically come and increase the brightness or even reduce the saturation. Alright, so when I'm done, I can reposition it and tick from there. Alright, so basically that's how to have fun with stickers in Picsart, guys. You can add as many stickers as you want. I can come here, then I add another sticker. So for this time, let me add this one here of biscuit. Alright, so as you can see, I can put this one here, then I also increase the brightness, then reduce the sharpness. Okay, so basically when I'm also done, I just tick from there and boom, we are good to go. So that's how to have fun with stickers in Picsart, guys. Thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.